Hello, I'm Dr. Tiffany Anderson, the Superintendent of Topeka Public Schools, here to congratulate you. You made it. Along with me congratulating you, we have your principals and teachers, administrators at all of the high schools, our school board members, and the leadership team. See, Topeka Public Schools, we are leaders in education. We are here to ensure that we continue to engage, prepare, and inspire for a lifetime. And to whom much is given, much is required and expected. So whether you are an amazing graduate from Hope Street, Cap City, Avondale West, or any one of our 3 comprehensive high schools, again, we are so proud of you. Congratulations, graduates.
Hello, and congratulations to the graduating class of Topeka Public Schools. There are very few days in life that hold as much weight as this one, as today is a celebration of who you are, what you have learned, and the incredible potential you hold for the future. Before we celebrate achievements, I would like to introduce the colleagues who serve alongside me on the Board of Education. Dr. Ashley Beeson, Ms. Sue Boley, Dr. Richard Bonebrake, Mr. Lalo Munoz, Dr. Randall Schumacher, and Mr. Keith Tatum. Graduates, our district's mission has always been to engage, prepare, and inspire you for a lifetime of learning. But today, we hand that mission over to you. You are engaged citizens. You are prepared for your next step. And now it is your turn to go out and inspire others. Whether your next path leads to a university, a trade career, the military, or the workforce, carry the spirit of community with you. Be bold in your ambition, kind in your actions. On behalf of the Board of Education, we believe in you, we are proud of you, and we cannot wait to see what you do next. Congratulations, graduates.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Nicole Johnson, and I'm the principal of Hope Street Academy. On behalf of myself and Topeka Public Schools Superintendent, Dr. Tiffany Anderson, along with board members, Mr. Keith Tatum, Dr. Randall Schumacher, Dr. Ashley Beeson, Ms. Sue Boley, Dr. Richard Bonebrake, Mr. Lalo Munoz, and Ms. Lisa Schmidt, I'd like to welcome you to Hope Street Academy. Today, we're celebrating all of the graduates who have completed their high school requirements. This senior class of scholars is truly a special group. These students have managed to persevere through many obstacles. They have overcome a variety of adversities to show their strength and character. This is a special time in life that is to be celebrated. The staff at Hope Street Academy is extremely proud of the dedication by these students and want to wish them the very best of luck in all the future endeavors. I present to you the Hope Street Academy graduates. Congratulations.